$150 for a pair of shoes. The crypto account went up $3,000 in a day. Go! What is up, guys? The highly requested what I spend and what I make in a week challenge is finally here. I have wanted to participate in this YouTube trend for such a long time, and in this video, I'm finally going to. For reference, I'm starting this video off on a Friday, which should be a pretty average income day since I'm not going to be uploading a YouTube video, but on the bright side, it should be a pretty low spend day since I'm going to the beach with my friends. We're leaving in like 10 minutes, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. What's up, guys? We're going to the beach, baby. We just pulled up to our swimming spot. The swimming spot's actually also a cliff jumping spot, so my friend Christian's gonna demonstrate. 3, 2, 1, go! It is absolutely beautiful out here right now, so Riley's gonna jump in, then I'm gonna jump in, and we're just gonna have a good time swimming. So we're looking for a new cliff jumping spot right now, and we're gonna jump from here, but guys, it's hard to tell on camera. This thing is so steep. After spending several hours cliff jumping and messing around at the quarry with my friends, me and my friend Christian went to go get ice cream, and buying that set me back about $8. Another paid activity followed that up since me and my friend went to go see this Marvel movie called Black Widow, and after paying for a ticket to the movie, some popcorn, and a drink, I was about $18 more broke. On the bright side, my earnings for the day were $273, $199.66 of that came from YouTube ad revenue, and the rest of that came from affiliate commissions, like when you guys go down below and get your one free stock on Robinhood. Throughout day 2 and 3 of this challenge, my spending totaled absolutely $0. Usually on weekends, I spend almost no money since my parents are home from work, and usually if we go anywhere together, they end up paying. I know that sounds kind of messed up, but if I ever get to a point where I've got millions of dollars in the bank, you already know I'm gonna pay them back. As for my income over the weekend, it was probably one of my best weekends ever since I got a brand deal over on my TikTok page and YouTube channel. I can't say exactly how much I got paid for it, but looped in between ad revenue and affiliate income, I made a total of $2,570 for the weekend, which is absolutely insane. Welcome to day 4 of this what I spend and what I make in a week challenge. Today was one of those super busy days of editing since I have a video coming out tomorrow. I woke up at 7:30, started editing a video, and it is currently 7:45 p.m. as you guys can see. Anyways, my friend Christian's about to pick me up right now. We're gonna have a fun little time hanging out, and also we're gonna be planning our trip to Los Angeles, California in a couple weeks, and it's gonna be an expensive day since we're booking a couple of things. So my friend Christian and I have this tradition where he picks me up after work and we go get some food at Culver's. A lot of you guys might not know about Culver's, but if you're ever in Wisconsin, go to Culver's for sure. It's in a bunch of other Midwest states as well. Probably one of the best places I've ever gone to eat. We just finished eating at Culver's, and you already know I had to grab these plastic number things since gotta get something extra every time. Now I'm gonna hop back in the car with Christian, and guess what, my dude? We're gonna be planning our trip to LA. We're back at the house now. Luckily, we're not going to be spending too much money tonight since we already got the plane tickets booked for the trip along with the Airbnb, but we decided to save money on Ubers. We're going to be bringing our longboards, and to do that, we have to get an extra long checked bag. So Christian's on Amazon right now. We found one for $23, but our plan is to return it after the trip. So I'm going to be spending 23 bucks right now, but hopefully I'll get my money back on it. That bag is the only other thing Christian and I need for the trip. So that's the only amount of money I'm going to be spending on that today. Now we're actually going to be going to an abandoned school in my area since we want to check it out. They're about to tear it down, so we got a window of opportunity here. As you guys can see, we made it to the abandoned school. It might be super hard to see right now, but I'll show an image of what it's like in the day. Yeah, we're literally here right now and it says no trespassing. We're just gonna go in super quick, check it out. Christian and I are at an abandoned school right now. Oh my God, bro, this is so lit. Straight out of a horror movie right now. Someone spray painted in here, dude. Holy smokers. It is officially day 5 of this video, and let me tell you guys, I woke up this morning to some very good news. First off, I ended up making a fat $313 yesterday, with $255 of that coming from YouTube ad revenue. On top of that though, over the last week, I've been filming this video where I randomly invest $1,500 into shitcoins, and this morning when I went to check my Coinbase wallet, I came to realize it had $4,750 in it, mostly thanks to this one token by the name of Million token, just randomly 10xing in value. Obviously, when you get lucky like that, you don't want to test your luck, so I decided to sell absolutely everything in the shitcoin portfolio for a $3,250 profit, and I even got a solid YouTube video out of it all. Aside from that, on the agenda for today, I'm gonna be going to the mall to get this pair of shoes I've been wanting. They do cost $150, which is honestly so overpriced, but since I woke up to an extra $3,000 in crypto this morning, I think it's a sign from God that, you know what, Will? You've been working hard recently, you deserve those shoes. Also, I forgot to tell you guys this, but 2 days ago, I spent $26.20 to buy my dog this fake service animal vest right here, because I'm honestly so sick of not being able to take him to stores, and I hope this solves that issue. There we go, guys. No one is going to question Steve's authority with this savage service animal vest on. I highly doubt anyone at the mall is going to say anything, because worst case, they can't even prove that he's not a service dog. He's got a fake vest from Amazon that looks exactly like the real thing. So now let's head to Mayfair Mall. So now that we're inside the mall, I think the first stop is to go to Foot Locker. So far, Big Steve's behaving decently. I think things are gonna go downhill pretty soon. All right, guys, this is gonna be Big Steve's first time going up an escalator. I wonder how this is gonna go. Yeah, there's no way we're getting him up the escalator. He's not gonna do that. Okay, let's see if he'll go in the elevator. Come on, dog. Come on, you got this, dude. Oh, he did it. He's in the elevator. So it's extremely obvious by every single person in the mall that Steve does not belong as a service animal. So far, we've been using the excuse that we're training him, but now we're gonna attempt to buy some shoes at Foot Locker. We're trying to go into the shoe store right now, but Steve is not having it. He does not want to go in, like literally, he's refusing. Come on, Steve. We made it. So guys, I am looking for a pair of shoes right now. Can I ask you guys something? Do you think he's a service dog?
For sure.
You think so?
Got the thing on.
Yeah.
He not?
No. He's not a service dog. I bought this from Amazon and I'm gonna train him to be a service dog.
You are?
Yeah.
How you gonna do that? He didn't even want to come in the store.
Well, he isn't now. He's gonna be a service dog. Trained by me. A few days ago when I went with Big Steve to the mall, they didn't have the shoes I wanted in size 10, so I literally drove all that way and spent $20 on gas for nothing. I'm just watching my bank account go down by the second. Anyways, guys, I am on Foot Locker right now, and as you guys can see, they have the shoes I want in size 10 online, so I'm gonna go ahead and order them right now. Boom, as you guys can see, my order is officially confirmed, and I spent a fat $157.50 after tax. Other than that expense just now, the only other expense I've had over the last 2 days is to my editor John. I paid him $350 to help edit 2 videos for me, and in my opinion, it's well worth it since he makes the videos a lot better, and sometimes you gotta spend money to make money.
Guess what? Grows the economy.
With that said, throughout the last 7 days, I spent a total of $610.14 between personal and business expenses, and I brought in a whopping $7,319.21, which is absolutely insane. If you guys want to see the daily breakdown, I'll pop it up on the screen right here. Honestly, this is one of the worst weeks ever to show how much money I make, since the brand deal and also the crypto earnings really skewed everything to the positive. Usually I make anywhere between $2,000 and $3,000 per week, but on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this week-long vlog as much as I did making it. Drop a like before you go, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.